Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure you have Brawl Stars downloaded on your device. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Brawl Stars, and hit install. Once it's downloaded, open the app and create or log into your Supercell account. Step 2. Now that you're in the game, you need to add your friends. Look for the friends icon, usually located in the main menu. You can add friends by their player tag, which starts with a hashtag. Type in your friend's tag and send them a friend request. Step 3. Once they accept your request, you're ready to team up. Go to the multiplayer section and look for the option to play with friends. You'll see a create or join button that lets you start a squad. Step 4. Before jumping into a match, make sure you and your friends select the same game mode. Brawl Stars has modes like Team Deathmatch, Gem Grab, and Showdown. Choose what you want to play and make sure everyone agrees. Step 5. Finally, hit the play button and get matched into a game with your squad. Work together, communicate through the in-game chat, and dominate the battlefield. Have fun out there.